Hello everyone, welcome to IsraeLive. Michelangelo here. Well, one of the best experiences to do here on the Sea of Galilee, which is behind my back right now, is to sail on a wooden boat. This is exactly where we are heading right now. The boats are here, the guys are on the way, and we are on the way to our beautiful wooden boat to experience some authentic Sea of Galilee. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. In my Facebook page, you'll be able to find many more beautiful videos about our lovely Israel. You want to be a part of it? You want to come joining me traveling Israel? Then press like, contact me, and see you in Israel. Bye-bye.